Do you think they pay him for his hard construction work out there?
Probably not very much. Maybe a little bit. 5 Taiwanese dollars an hour.
What a bargain. He's out there working hard.
Hard worker.
Directing traffic.
Probably a pretty solid job here. Guy works hard.
Alright, I went a little bit crazy, but it had a star on it next to it on the menu, so I trust it. I got oolong peach turquoise tea with green tea jelly.
Oh my gosh.
The star did not lead me astray.
What's the turquoise?
I don't know.
Oh, just
Did I make a good choice?
yeah, that was really good. That's just insane. That's unreal. That is unreal. Good morning from Hualien. Today is the, third day of our road trip?
Mm-hmm.
And we're headed to, where are we headed?
Liu Lake.
Liu Lake.
Liu Lake. The weather is not great. It was drizzling a little bit when we got our tea, but hopefully it holds off for long enough.
It only said 15% chance of rain, which I like my chances with that. It's not a clap circle. A clap circle is a circle where you clap and you hear this ping because of how the bricks are set up, but this one's not set up right, so.
You sound really disappointed.
I know I am. I really thought that this would be one. This looks exactly like one, but it's not.
It doesn't matter if we're in the busiest place in the world and there's people all over. Ben always goes into the circles and starts clapping to see if it echoes. And we get so many stares every time. I don't know if it's like a normal thing. Where we went to college, there's a clap circle like in one of the main parts of the university, and it's like a known thing that if you stand there and clap, it echoes. So maybe that's why it's a thing for us. I don't know if that's a common thing. Like, does everyone know what a clap circle is?
I don't think so. I don't think that's a common thing. That's like $400. It's like $12 to rent a boat.
To paddle in one of those like swan boats?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, they're cool, but you'd have to like pedal. I think you pedal.
Is it worth $12?
I don't think so, unless you really want to do it.
We could just walk around.
I feel like it's one of those things that's cool for 10 minutes, and then you're like, okay, I'm done. Alright, we can walk around.
so crazy how we're only, I think, 30 minutes outside of Hualien. So just like right outside of the city. And then there's this huge lake and all of these mountains. And I don't know, this is a great place for like nature. Do you think these light poles are supposed to look like flower buds?
Yeah, I thought they looked like little bugs. But yeah, I think you're probably right. They look like flower buds. Because they have the light that go up and then the light that go out. They're kind of cool looking. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before.
I think you missed our turn.
Yeah, I did. Oh, I thought... Oh. Yeah, I did. Wait. Can I U-turn here? Oh, yeah, I can U-turn here.
Yeah.
I was focused on the flower bud poles. But the good thing is we can take a U-turn and see them again.
Dun, dun, dun. This is our next stop.
All right, so this is Starbucks in the Starbucks in those?
Yeah.
And those like storage containers?
Yeah.
What? How do you even get into that? You gotta like climb up in there or something?
I wanted to come to this Starbucks because it's cool. It's made out of recycled container ships, and it was designed by a Japanese architect who I think also has designed some of the Starbucks in Japan.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Yeah.
it's literally a storage container.
Yeah, it's like recycled storage containers.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. Hey, good choice.
Yeah, Starbucks normally isn't on the sightseeing itinerary, but this one seemed like it'd be worth it.
Yeah, this is a special one. If I could fall into the sky, would you make time to pass us by? Oh, with you now I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just hold you. If I could just see you tonight. Dun 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 dun. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm home now. Dun 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 dun. If I could just. You see anything good?
So good in here. Okay, I'm gonna get this little hot dog thing, and then this looks like a mini pecan pie.
That looks good.
This place has like 13,000 reviews, and it's 5 stars, so I think anything is probably good.
Can't go wrong no matter what.
谢谢。
就是95折。好好。
All right.
What did you get?
I got this chocolate cake. Like a chocolate pinroll cake. Pinroll, is that what it's called? Pinwheel cake.
It looks like a giant Swiss roll.
Yeah. It smells, it's like just like ultimate chocolate. It's like all chocolate. It's very like fluffy. And it's got the chocolate and the cream and the sprinkles. The cake part is really good. The cake part's really airy, but it's really good.
You have like cream all over your face.
Oh. Is it good?
I haven't even tried this part yet.
Oh my gosh.
The bread. It has so much like seasoning. We should have got 2 of these.
I was about to say you're gonna share that one we're supposed to share, but it looks like you aren't going to.
That's really good.
It's okay.
I see why that place has 13,000
Oh my gosh.
reviews.
We should have gotten 2 of these.
I told you.
I'm about to run back and get one.
Oh man, they're really putting this one to work over here.
Yeah. He's working hard. His arms must hurt.
He must have some crazy arm muscles. Is it like a Halloween skeleton?
Yeah, look, that one's a skeleton, I think. The other one was a mannequin.
Wow, this is so nice. I think this is a Pebble Beach. I think.
Wow, these are really big waves.
Is this real?
Okay, the water looks like a Gatorade blue.
I hate those videos where people are so dramatic and they're like, oh my gosh, is this real life? Like where it's so over the top. But this is like, I feel like I'm that annoying person right now where I'm like,
Look at that. Jaw dropping.
this is insane. The waves are massive. The water's so blue. The mountains are right here.
And with the clouds coming over.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in like that scene in Inception when
my
like
gosh, that's what I
Leonardo
was
DiCaprio
thinking.
wakes up on the beach, or like Interstellar, or just like something nuts like that. Oh my gosh.
Also, the waves don't crash at all until they're right at the beach, and it's a huge crash.
I think the name of this beach, I don't know how to pronounce it. Quixington. It's Q-I-X. I have no idea how that sounds. Quixington Beach.
this seems like a great place to end our video. Hope you enjoyed watching today in Hualien. We'll catch you in the next one. It's called Wuti because afterwards you say, woo!
Is that the only part that you know?
Yeah, that's the only part I know.
Just put that part on a loop.
Yeah. Making my way downtown.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's it.